How do you withdraw your crypto from Binance to bank account when you have a lot of smaller tokens that does not really appears at the P2P section of the Binance app? All right, that's the question I do get from many people. And in this video, I have a typical tutorial to actually carry out here. So be sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video so you don't make mistake. Subscribe to my channel. All right, this is just the same way as selling your popular coins like BNB, USDT, Ethereum or Bitcoin or DAI to your bank account. But how do you do that when all those options are not at the P2P section? This is how to go about it. So subscribe, like this video. Let's just dive right into the video right now. So the first thing you have to do is to start out by logging into your Binance account just the way I'm logging into this user's account. So enter the code that is sent to both email and phone, and then once you've done that, you have logged in now. So you click on wallet. This is the coin. You can see the spot wallet, the number of coins we have there. So now that we are logged on, then you click on spot wallet. Now look at all this coin here. You can see we have XRP there. We have the ADA there. We have all of them are in small quantity. So we need to kind of move them before to USDT before we can withdraw them. So we need them to be on Binance. You cannot trade less than $10. So what we're going to do right here is to exchange all of them to USDT, and then since the rest are not they are not up to $10, we need to use one to convert the others. Just watch what I'm going to do right now to get all these coins to USDT before finally selling. So for record's sake, um what I want you guys to know is, you see, all this cannot be converted because they are less than $10. All right. So now I have to go send 10 USD to this account so that I can convert them all. All right. So the mode through which I send the USDT is via email. All right, like I told you, from another Binance account, just like the videos I made, the video I made before this particular one. So I have to go to P2P. All right, so and send it, transfer it back to the main Binance account. All right, so I search USDT. All right, so here it is, maximum. Okay, I'm sending out to this Binance account. All right, so here we are. So now what I'm going to start with right here, let's go back to spot wallet. See, everything is in spot wallet right now. So what I'm going to start with here is XRP. So go to markets and search XRP. Just search XRP. All right, slash USDT. Then I click buy. All right, so I'm going to buy. Okay, if I were to sell, let's say I decide to switch my mind to sell, even if I enter maximum and sell, you see it won't go because it's less than $10. So first of all, I have to buy. All right, I need to confirm everything to you guys. So I click on buy. All right, buying is successful, and then here I click on sell immediately. All right, selling is successful. So if we click here, you see that we have 20 USDT right now. Then we'll do the same with ADA. Come here, ADA, tap here, ADA. All right, I have a lot of disturbing messages here, so you guys are going to be used to this. ADA, click on sell. See, if I click sell, because it's less than $10, it won't go. All right, so I'll click buy. Okay, I just bought 10 ADA, then click sell. All right, sold immediately. So I'm going to do the rest like that. The next one is 𝗕𝗓𝗓𝗏, then 𝗏𝗑𝗧. I've not seen this going 𝗕𝗓𝗓 and 𝗏𝗑𝗧. So I'm going to search here 𝗕𝗓𝗓, all right, slash USDT. Then going to buy, all right, maximum. Okay, let me just use 10 USDT so I won't be losing so much. 10 USDT, buy, all right, and then click maximum. Also maximum, answer immediately. All right, so that has been done. So come to market again and search 𝗏𝗑𝗧. Wow, this fellow really bought a lot of coin. 𝗏𝗧 slash USDT, 𝗏𝗧 slash USDT. Tap on it, then click buy. All right, I'm buying with just 10 USDT. 10 USDT. Okay, buy success, then sell. I'm selling the entire 𝗏𝗧. All right, okay, let me see. We have 16 𝗏𝗧 right here. All right, and it's trying to sell 𝗏𝗧 slash USDT, sell maximum. Okay, sell successful. All right, I thought that was becoming glitchy. Then the next one we have 𝗏𝗡 and SYS. Okay, let's do that. 𝗏𝗡. All right, buy. We're buying just 10. Then oh no, we're just buying 10. Buy. Then you click sell immediately. Sell. So the next coin is SYS. I wouldn't know what that coin was. SYS. There's a lot of this coin that I really have not really checked. SYS slash USDT. All right. Then click buy. Enter amount of USDT. We are just using 10. All right. Then buy. Then immediately click over sell. Okay. That done success. You can see it right there. Then the next one we have FTM USDT, buy. All right, enter. No, we're not using all, so we're just using 10. Buy. All right, then you click sell immediately. Sell. All right, that's successful. Let's see how many is left. We sold a lot, so we have Gala left. Okay, the only coin that is left here is Gala. Okay. All right, so the only coin that is left now is Gala. All right, so let's click here, go, and then search Gala. Okay, buy Gala. All right, so here I can just use 5 USDT buy, since Gala is 5. Pardon me, I forgot that. 10 USDT buy Gala, and then sell Gala as well, maximum. All right, sold. All right, so we've successfully sold all the coin to USDT. Now I have to transfer from spot wallet to P2P wallet. Enter maximum and then transfer. All right, so now that I've transferred to spot wallet, it's either I click on continue trading or I go on click on spot wallet. Then I need to transfer. I need to send the 10 USDT that I collected to where it belongs. So USDT, tap USDT. How many did I take? 10. So it goes back to where it began. Okay. All right. It's like there's something wrong with the latest version of this Binance app. You can't really send USDT back to where it belongs like that using the app. It keeps popping up this message, but if you're using the web version, it will go successfully. All right, so I'm going to have to use the address for this. All right, See, keep popping up this. All right, I don't know why this will go on. All right, okay. So okay, let me get rid of this. So since this Binance app is giving an issue, try to send through email, because the last time I sent, okay, the one I sent presently I sent through a web. All right, so I'm going to directly transfer it through I'm going to send it through crypto address. So I'm going to transfer the entire amount back from here, USDT of course, transferring from P2P wallet to spot wallet. All right, and then come here, click spot, click withdraw, click USDT, then scan it. I'm going to scan my address. All right, that's scanned successfully. Then choose network. Of course, I'm using BEP. Oh, BEP2 network is suspended. BEP2 network is suspended. All right, so BEP2 network is suspended. So I'm just gonna go ahead to say everything. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead to say everything. So I'm still gonna transfer it. Most times, too much transaction used to cause that. All right, I don't know why Binance does that at times. So click on continue trading. So this time around we are sending it to our bank account, so we click on USDT sell. All right, so what's there is about 69 $63 or something thereabouts. So I'm going to click here. So I'll click on that, the top right hand side, and then choose the range in amount you want to set. That's $60, about 20. Let me just enter 20,000 right here, bank transfer, and then set, so that the ads within that range will be displayed. All right, so I click on this first one here, click on max. All right, as I want to say, or bank transfer. All right, already display the bank of the user, and then click sell. The ad remaining is less than. Okay, I have to go back and refresh that. Refresh. All right, so I'm going to use another person right here. Click here, click maximum, click here, click the ad, and then click send. So once you do that, the next thing I'm going to do right here is I'll be sending the person message. I'll be like, um awaiting payment. Then wait for the person to respond. If after the person does not respond after 10 minutes, you use this call button right here. All right, and then allow the person that we've created an ad. So this user have now marked the ad as paid. All right, and then he has even sent message that I've paid, and then I'm like, I've not seen it. All right, let me check though. All right, when selling on Binance app, you need to use bank app, so that most times you can see the money before SMS, because SMS usually takes time. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead to confirm. Now click on confirm. All right, the ad right now, and then they will send code. All right, so now that they've sent code, I have to enter the code and confirm that I've seen the money. So you have to click on send code, then enter the code and confirm the person. So here we are. I just got the code, enter it right here, paste it in, boom, confirm. This is a one-time code. Boom, I've automatically just sold $63 to somebody that I don't even know. All right, so transaction successful. That's just it. That's just all. All right. Now that you've seen how that can be done, can you consider subscribing to my channel now, as I bring up more videos like this to teach you more amazing stuff that you could do in the crypto industry and many more. See you in my next video. One love.